Welcome to Giggle and Learn TV, where kids giggle and learn every day.
Hello, kids. Welcome to our alphabet adventure. Today, we will learn all the letters from A to Z. Let's start slowly. Watch carefully and say it with me.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
A is for apple. A, apple. Apple starts with A, apple. B is for banana. B, banana. The banana starts with B, banana. C is for cat. C, cat. The cat starts with C, cat. D is for dog. D, dog. Dog starts with D, dog. E is for elephant. E, elephant. Elephant starts with E, elephant. F is for fish. F, fish. Fish starts with F, fish. G is for giraffe. G, giraffe. Giraffe starts with G, giraffe. H is for hat. H, hat. Hat starts with H, hat. I is for ice cream. I, ice cream. Ice cream starts with I, ice cream. J is for juice. J, juice. Juice starts with J, juice. K is for kite. K, kite. Kite starts with K, kite. L is for lion. L, lion. Lion starts with L, lion. M is for monkey. M, monkey. Monkey starts with M, monkey. N is for nest. N, nest. Nest starts with N, nest. O is for orange. O, orange. Orange starts with O, orange. P is for parrot. P, parrot. Parrot starts with P, parrot. Q is for queen. Q, queen. Queen starts with Q. Q, queen. R is for rabbit. R, rabbit. Rabbit starts with R. R, rabbit. S is for sun. S, sun. Sun starts with S. S, sun. T is for tiger. T, tiger. Tiger starts with T. T, tiger. U is for umbrella. U, umbrella. Umbrella starts with U. U, umbrella. V is for violin. V, violin. Violin starts with V. V, violin. W is for watch. W, watch. Watch starts with W. W, watch. X is for xylophone. X, xylophone. Xylophone starts with X. X, xylophone. Y is for yacht. Y, yacht. Yacht starts with Y. Y, yacht. Z is for zebra. Z, zebra. Zebra starts with Z. Z, zebra.
Yay! You did it! We learned all the letters from A to Z together. Don't forget to subscribe to Giggle and Learn TV for more fun songs, rhymes, and learning videos. See you next time, kids. Bye-bye!